modern production facilities can take advantage of the latest technological advancements to improve the production process. However, this still remains a very responsible duty that requires highly specialized hardware. This is where MelIPC edge computing technology comes in. This little box continually monitors your production parameters, allowing you to know exactly what's going on your factory floor. Let me explain how it works. MelIPC gives you a real-time preview of processes on your factory floor and constantly compares them to benchmark standards. When the system picks up any drastic discrepancy between these two sets of data, it will automatically let you know that an error might have occurred and will also guide you in locating and fixing it. And as a result, your production process is always guaranteed to be optimized and highly efficient. And that's pretty much it for this episode. Thanks for watching and see you next time.